Welcome to my channel Travel with Nature. Today we are visiting Tarpon Springs, Florida, which is a charming coastal town known for its rich Greek heritage and, most famously, its historic sponge docks, nestled on the west coast of Florida. This town took the sponge industry to new heights in the early 20th century, when Greek divers brought their expertise here, turning the harvesting of natural sponges into the thriving backbone of the local economy. Our first stop is Dodecanese Seafood and Greek cuisine. Here, you can indulge in authentic Greek dishes while enjoying the waterfront view. Whether it's freshly grilled octopus or a savory gyro, Dodecanese offers a taste of Greece right here in Florida. Conveniently, there's paid parking available, ensuring easy access to all the attractions. Right next door is Spongerama's Dolphin Adventures, a must-do for families, offering dolphin watching tours that highlight the natural beauty of the Gulf Coast. Just steps away, Mykonos Greek Dining invites visitors to enjoy traditional Greek cuisine, perfect for a quick, delicious bite. This definitely one stop that I would highly recommend. Dimitri's on the Water offers a more upscale dining experience, known for its exceptional seafood and romantic waterside setting. Next, explore Catherine's store, a treasure trove of unique gifts and local souvenirs. Here is a quick look down Athens Street, where you will find shops available for you to walk through and find that special gift for anyone on your shopping list. Don't miss the Taste of Greece Cafe, where the baklava is as authentic as it is delightful. Along the dock, you'll see sponge boats with their bounty on display. This working piece of history showcases the traditional tools and techniques still used today. While you're down at the docks, be sure to visit the open-air market and pick up an exquisite gift made from local materials. The Sponge Exchange, once the commercial center for the sponge industry, now houses a variety of shops and eateries, retaining its historic charm. As you continue, you'll come across the Fudge Factory and Footgear for some sweet treats and stylish comforts. Get-A-Gear Homemade Soap offers artisan soaps that capture the essence of the sea. And don't forget to visit Hella's Restaurant, a landmark for those craving hearty Greek meals. Dodecanese Boulevard is also home to a delightful array of shops. From the Royal Bee offering premium honey products and the Spice and Tea Exchange, to Susan's Flags, natural comfort footwear, and the laid-back Fish Hippie Co. Dive into the coastal vibe at Shell Shop. Treat yourself at Hello Sweets. Find serenity at A Simple Peace. And explore the rich flavors at Tarpon Springs Olive Oil Co. The Jerky Emporium, Sweetie's Ice Cream, Lemma Karen, and Pink Panda Tea Bar offer delightful treats for any palate. And end your shopping spree with a relaxing glass of wine at Wine at the Docks. Before you leave, a visit to Rusty Belly's Waterfront Grill is essential. Located at the water's edge, it's the perfect spot to enjoy fresh seafood straight from the Gulf. Tarpon Springs isn't just a relic of sponge diving history. It's a vibrant community where Greek culture, Florida's coastal beauty, and the warmth of a small town blend beautifully. Whether you're here for the history, the food, or the breathtaking views, Tarpon Springs promises an unforgettable experience. Consider this unique town on your next trip to Southwest Florida. Thank you for watching my video tour of Tarpon Springs, Florida. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.